To make the dough first, and here we have the combination of 3 ingredients: water, milk, and egg. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. And then add the flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. So now we're going to mix for 5 minutes in slow speed and then 5 minutes on faster speed. But if you don't have slow speed, 10 minutes. Once the dough is fully mixed, take out from the mixer and put on a bench and divide it into a bowl and wrap up in cling film and put in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. So for this dough, we will need 250 grams of butter to make our butter block for lamination to lock inside the dough. But first, you flatten the butter and then put inside the parchment paper. I always get confused how to pronounce this word, parchment paper. And then you put the butter inside the parchment paper and roll it out into square shape. I'll put the link in the description so you can find how to make it from scratch. I'll let you into my secret. So from June last year, 12th June, that was my first day out. I said to myself, I committed to myself to give my 100% into YouTube channel. So I had set myself a goal to reach 100,000 subscribers. Now we're in 72, nearly 72,000 subscribers. So if you can help to get to that goal to reach 100,000 subscribers before June by sharing or liking this video, and if you're new here in this channel, you can hit the subscribe button. And thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers before end of June. That would be really great. So we've got 30 days before June 12th to hit 100,000 subscribers. Do you think that's possible to achieve before the 12th? And by the way, June will be my birthday on 24th. So, and that's another reason to hit that milestone. Let's make it happen, guys. And now it's time to laminate our croissant, the most important part of making croissant, lamination. And I'm going to laminate it by hand. And I'm going to tell you this, it's no joke. Making croissant by hand is a seriously hard work. I'm glad I have a hand rolling sheet, but this week I'm going to test myself and laminate by hand. Even though this is 500 gram dough flour, it's still like very hard work. So I salute you who make croissant by hand day by day, especially for business. It's ridiculous hard work. When I started making croissant, I already had a sheet, but this week I had a class and I said, let's do a challenge. Let's play and make it by hand. And literally, I was like, no, this is not a great idea. But it was worth in the end, the hard work and stuff. And from here, whoop. So that's long enough for that little one. Just trim a little bit. This is fine. Do a quarter. Baby on. You see? Do it again. And see this area, this side. That's it. Trim. There you go. Once you finish the lamination, wrap it up the dough into cling film and put in the freezer for 40 minutes and 1 hour in the fridge, and then it'll be ready for your croissant making. Now, our croissant dough is out of the freezer or the fridge, nice and chilled, very hard to roll. After this work on the dough, I don't need the rest. So when I finish shaping croissant, I usually put on the fridge overnight to rest. I don't bake in the same day. I have proved and bake without resting, and the layer doesn't look very good. So basically, it's taking me 3 days to make croissant. So the first day is to mix the dough, I leave it overnight. Next day, laminate, rest for at least 2 hours, and then shape, and then rest again overnight, then prove and bake the next day. So like 3 total days to making croissant. And that's how I make it. It's not that the right way or the wrong way. So we're looking for 90 centimeters long. I'm gonna trim the edges to tidy up. And this is gonna be the double fold. The first fold here is a quarter, and then the rest go all the way to the end. A bit of a plastic here, cling film. So that's not a quarter enough, I don't think. So we'll do it here. And then fold it again to cover it. Put it back on the sheeter, do another roll, and do a single fold. There we go. Always trimming. Halfway and close it like a book. From here, I'm gonna put in the freezer for about 40 to 1 hour to get the dough nice and cold, and go back in the fridge for another hour, and then we're gonna do our shaping. This is how I roll my croissants. Bakery, if this broke down, I wouldn't make any croissant. Now let's bake our croissants. So now our croissants are ready to bake. You see they've risen out. You see the jiggle. See the double in size. And you can see they open up the layers a little bit. So now I'm gonna egg wash them. So once you egg wash them, I put in the oven, preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius, and then bake for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden. So yeah, we'll see when they're baked. Here our croissant ready, nice and baked, nice and golden. Still hot. Look at that. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. So let's get this challenge down. Let's get 100,000 subscribers by June 12th.